with Lucy and with Yubi. And saan tayo? Saan nga ba yun?
Baskin Robles dito.
Dito.
May upuan ba doon?
Hi, welcome to Amstel Sabi Channel.
A busy crossing. I met with Lucy and Yubi. So we will have a dinner. We are looking for the restaurant, but we end up at Royal Host, which is the same restaurant that we have.
Dati may
Then we walk around, just having fun. We went up to Indigo Hotel at the lobby. Nagpicture-picture lang kami. Okay lang naman. Hindi pa naman kami pinaalis.
One, two, three. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 2, 3.
Ganyan lang. Picture, then uwian na. Nag-ice cream pala muna kami bago kami umalis. At naghiwa-hiwalay. At umuwi sa aming mga kanya-kanyang bahay.
Go!
Babawalan na tayo, no?
Babawalan na.
Welcome to Shibuya! Okay. Maganda. Yan. 3.
Nagkakangitian na lang kami. Oo. Sa lubong. Sabi ko, buti na lang magkaiba yung pantalon na. I bought this blouse on sale. So a lot of people are wearing it.
2024. And to all the American, happy Independence Day. Yeah.
1.
Again.
Ang kulit. Ay, asan yung basket?
Doon. Ay, saan ba yun? Nasaan nga yun? Parang nalimutan ko na. Dito yata. Hindi, dito yan. Sa may banda rito.
Shibuya's crowded crossing. Here we are again.
Game.
1, 2,
Last
3.
dessert. 1, 2, 3.
Yan.
Thank you so much for watching and I love you all. God bless.
Thank you so much for continuous watching. God bless.